What do we have today, guys?
This is the new Peak Havoc manufacturing. Basically, see, your boy bought this to put the motor in another Cherokee because it needs a motor. And then we had the great idea of doing that and then taking the knocking motor out of that one and putting it back in this one so we can trail ride it. Hey, don't go through my tires. That's not necessary.
We have a lot of sizes. What do you need?
I need like small. We got small.
I have a dry rotted small.
Well, hold on. What's your price?
I got a pack of ramen noodles. Can I get some water? All right, you can have it. Yeah, that's for you. Hey, careful. There's a fire extinguisher though.
The gauge has been used. It's used. It was actually used back here.
Well, no, you
see.
You take the fire extinguisher and you start beating the fire.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. There's more of that ramen. So you know that trend on the internet where you like use the ramen noodles to fix stuff? They like fix the porcelain toilet with the ramen noodles. It's like the shit posts. You seen those?
No.
Maybe they were trying to fix the floorboard over there. The people, they'll know what I'm talking about. Kentucky. If we had a key, I would put that on there. We have a key. Asking you, Chalmers.
Oh, amazing. Let's see if it works.
Hey! Can you put my keychain on?
All right, well, I guess it's time to get started.
Yeah, I guess it's time to pull the motor on this guy. I can't believe this is the good one. I mean, pop the hood. Pop the hood. Let's just see how lenient that is. Okay, I mean, it's a nice Jeep. It's got, well, those are broken. It's already got that mod where you can just keep folding the hood back. Usually it'll just keep going. I'm not touching, I'm not.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. We'll just leave it like that.
She's a beaut.
Goody.
We are happy to have her on the channel. And that. What about you? What are your thoughts and opinions? Yeah?
Don't rip it out.
Don't
rip it out.
I want to paint this part. This has to stay.
I don't know. I kind of like the bumper. Very good. Time to begin, boys.
So, park it in a spot, kind of towards the back. You'll figure out how to use it. Thank you.
Oh, the valet. I get the joke. On the valet. All right. How we doing
I
here?
guess I can start fishing that out. Good.
Oh, great.
Yeah, we got a lot disconnected.
Oh my goodness. It is me. Creeper guy. Hey, you asshole. Get out of here.
Oh.
Get out of
Why
here.
is he always so angry?
Get out of here.
Let's play a game of peekaboo, Chris. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
What's up, bub?
Just listen to the noises.
He says he's struggling down there. I believe it.
Is this Jeep nicer than your red one?
What did he say?
What are you doing?
Alright, updating the list.
Updating the list.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, so the X60R, I think, is in the lead. No, it's the Grand Cherokee in the lead. 4 times.
I love it.
Yeah. We're almost ready. Seth and I are almost ready to come out.
Well, what's cool about that is we have added our first motorcycle and our first expensive piece of equipment. It's not just garbage cars anymore.
Chris, how long until the motor can come out?
I don't know, brother.
Bro, what do you mean?
I've been playing in the sand.
Bum, 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 bum.
Gotta excavate everything if you pan to the ground.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
And then all of this was in these 4 holes.
So she been wheeled a time or two.
I got this one. I need this one. You can't even tell there's a bolt there. There is, oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh my God, you guys shit in my eyes.
Oh, can't help a brother out. You're filming. Always on that phone, Ryan.
This is taking longer than it's supposed to.
Brother, I know. Fuck.
This is chalk. The Peak Havoc Mobile is chalked. Oh. Let's see how many things on our Jeep I can break before he gets that bolt out. Sturdy. Sturdy. Oh. These are useless. These have no... Hello? Who's living in there? I made a full 360. And he's still not done.
You just keep going. I can't.
Don't break that. We need that.
Why do we need this?
So you can tell it doesn't clear. Oh!
It clears.
Watch your finger. Careful. Careful! And let's do another clearance test. Here, can you record my clearance test? That's destroy my phone.
Is it clear? It clears.
Clear. Good.
No damage.
Yay! Motor is out! Woo! Yay. Another one bites the dust. Except not this one. This one's gonna go back together. This is the Peak Havoc Mobile. Onward! Dang, what kind of panty wagon is this?
One with coolant in it.
What kind of panty wagon is this? Got the Mopar shirt on.
Hold on.
We got the Mopar shirt on in the Z01. Wow. Wow. The glasses are on par too. This is awesome.
It's not my fault. I'm cooler than everyone I talk to. And humble.
Okay. Maybe we'll destroy this on YouTube.
I'm gonna park
next.
it right here.
We'll destroy this on
I'm
YouTube
gonna park
next.
it right here.
If only our camera guy could help me.
Well, is this one of those situations where one more person would be really helpful?
One more person would be extremely helpful right now. Excuse me. Careful. Hey, don't put your weight on that. Sorry. Don't break my Jeep. Sorry.
Watch the ding.
Yo, chill. Sorry.
Move your hand so I can close the hood without smashing it.
Don't fucking close the hood. Yep.
I really wish we could
Oh,
close
Chris,
this door.
no. Chris, you're damaging your wiper blade. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, it's time to put Mr. Chris's Jeep back together. Yay. Look, we're gonna watch him put it in together. They wanted me to help. Oops.
Alright, everybody stand back. I'm just gonna drop it in.
I need that.
Coming down.
Whoa. Oh.
Please hold on.
Oh. Scared him over there.
I'm just kidding. Keep going down until someone tells me to stop.
I'm probably not gonna tell you to stop.
I know you're not. That's why I'm having Chris run this.
That's because I'm good.
Alright.
I'm good on my side.
Yeah, push it, Seth. Stop.
Bow. The exhaust is on the firewall. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's
Need to
right.
drop
I'm
it.
starting to remember. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'm starting to remember things now. It's almost in. We got our motor seated. We got our motor seated. Yay. Say yay. We're gonna get say yay. Say yay. Say yay. Say yay. Say yay. Watch, ready? Yay. Let me get your yay and then I'll go get Chris's yay. Say yay. Come on, man. This is the living, beating heart to your new company vehicle. I mean, this is good stuff. See, that's the smile. That's the smile we're looking for.
There we go.
Can we get a yay?
No fair, his is better. Anybody know where those are?
Chris's motor is in.
Chris, where are the big grips?
Brother, I don't know.
It's time
Ryan, go find me
put
the
it together
tool I
now.
want.
Time to put it together.
Do you leave me what I need for this or no?
You're about to get that tire off the ground. Like, if you keep going, that tire's coming off the ground. I think we should test drive it. So fill it with water.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go fill it with water.
All right, come put it in.
Cool.
Sorry, Dad.
It's time to throw some water in this bad
I was
boy.
trying to get this off, but the radiator's not really hard mounted, so. Because I mean, he wiggles.
Look at that.
Just reuse recycle.
The last part's swamp mag.
That's good stuff, man. This Jeep's solid. It's gonna run for at least a little. Like, I'm guessing like 30 minutes. The green machine is ready to go conquer some rocks. Can we actually just fill the
I
Jeep?
didn't mean to. I think we have equipment like that in there.
Oh, definitely. Oh, shit. There's definitely a coolant leak. Oh, no.
Yeah, there's just a bunch of coolant and there's just water. Just, I mean, it's. Excuse me. Take it.
Whoa, we're shutting the hood.
Oh, I'm taking it.
Hold on, wait, hold on. We got. Don't do it. Don't do it. There's no point in doing that. It sounds okay. Lift those heels, lift those heels. Lift those heels. All right. What a sad Jeep this is. Looks like it's overloaded in the front. There we go, now it looks better. What a beautiful Jeep. That's all you can hear back here. That's all you can hear back here. Da, 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 da. Does it have an exhaust leak?
Good, he climbs though. I mean,
She's got that welded diff, man. She's ready. Keep going, keep her going. She'll go. She's gonna eat.
you think I should put her in 4?
You gotta have to hit that 4 high.
It works.
Doesn't sound like.
Oh yeah. So, well, you see, the. Oh, it's almost out of gas.
No.
I
Alright.
know that the linkage is hooked up.
Well, let's take a look.
Oh, look at that!
Set me up on me.
Hello.
Here you go, Chris. We're gonna hand you what we have. This is a dry run for when we're on the trails with this thing.
We don't have much.
I don't. Oh, look at this. It's missing trim.
Or another hammer.
Still makes sense. Still makes sense. All right. Well, how long do we think? What's our
No,
mileage?
by then it'll
What's
be
our mileage?
bricked. Oh, we were at, I think, what, 180 something. I mean, not bad at all.
185, 290. When do you think? How long do you think we got?
I think we actually get 2-3 wheeling trips out of it, or we have to.
I'm gonna give
motor
it
swap again.
50 miles on the odometer.
How hard are you gonna drive it?
It's off road. Trails are like 2-3 miles a trail.
That's true. And I'm gonna go 100 miles, which ain't bad.
We got 150. We're at 185, 290, Chris. How many miles, considering they're mostly off road, do you think we're gonna get? He says 100. I say 50
100 miles.
on the odometer.
I'm gonna go up 250.
You're gonna go to 250. I got 4.
You should.
All right. Now it's a real Jeep.
Oh, that's 4 low. Oh yeah. She's ready to rip.
Oh, Bubba, you got so much power. The brakes can't even hold it.
It's just 2. Go for it. Transfer case is hot. Transfer case. Yeah, she sounds great. Oops. Oops.
That is right there good?
Yeah, that works. Let's get. Oh, you got in a minor fender bender. What do you think of our new Jeep, Seth?
I think we should take this door.
Fuck the door.
Never mind. It's not much better.
It shuts it though.
It does shut.
Not in.
It doesn't have a mirror. This one has a mirror. It doesn't work, but it has it.
Oh, you're right.
We need the mirror.
Yeah, well.
Do any of the windows work?
Did you break it? Hold it down.
I'm doing that.
Here we go. Perfect. Yeah, man. No, this is legit.
Man,
Do these work?
Yeah. This thing's gonna be legit.
That's legit, man. So now it's on to cleaning it and then customizing it.
Well, I rolled the window up so nobody could get into it.
Yes.
We're deciding on the budget. We're thinking somewhere between $8 and $15.
No, I think we need more. I think we need like $30 a person.
There is no test well.
Yes, the next video is customizing our lovely Jeep, and then we get to destroy it. Oh well,
It's
we
a
need to do
company vehicle. We're not destroying
that. We
it.
can't destroy it, but we need to do that transfer case. We'll do that too. We'll do the transfer case and we'll customize it.
To the previous video on the red Jeep. It'd
Maybe
be
we'll-
nice with 2 people.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess that's everything. I might not.
Peace out and keep buying junk vehicles. Dude, perfect.
Eat the rich. Eat the rich. The rich.